Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Dodge Challenger evading Arkansas State Police. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. Let's check it out. Seems like these chases always start with the trooper in patrol position. This one's at night. Gives the perp an advantage immediately. So, oh, I didn't even see anything moving too fast, oddly. So, okay, I see the Challenger in between two semis. Smash the like button. Shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate the support. It's free to hit that subscribe button, so if you want to smash that for me, would be most likely appreciated. So the audio kicks on, meaning the lights have been turned on, and this Challenger didn't even try to stop. I can just hear the engine going. He's doing upwards of 130 miles per hour. A gray Challenger, that's what I'm gonna put on the thumbnail. Thank you, cop, for calling that out. If you guys don't know, if the cops catch the bad guy, we're gonna clap it up for him. I'm gonna eat some donuts. I don't have donuts today, but you get the gist. Let me know down in the comments right now. Don't cheat. Do you think this cop is gonna catch this Challenger? He's already pretty much blacked out. And that gap is massive. It's just getting bigger. I never see this cop on any of the chases, so he's probably gonna get vanished on. At this point, I can't see the Challenger. 157. Bruh. Just go to the racetrack. You're endangering everybody's lives, man. Especially yours. Is it not precious? It's priceless life, man. Oh, he's on that bridge to Tennessee, I think. Yeah, the cops got to slow it down and call it a fucking day. Yeah, turn the lights off. Damn. I'm not familiar with this, so people from Arkansas already seen this coming. The cop got to stop chasing. Wow. Big sigh, man. Big sigh.
Yeah, walked in that Ingram on 40.
So do they like let Tennessee know what's going on with the Challenger, or do they just take the L? Do I got any cops watching? Y'all let me know. Is there a police report? So he's doing 84 and a 65. He had two defective tail lights. And he got away on Interstate 55 southbound to the state line of Tennessee. Of course, my camera ended up running out of storage. The cops never caught this guy, obviously. I'm gonna clap it up for the cops. You know, we're gonna eat some donuts.
Bruh.
And yeah, this is what happened. You know what I mean? I don't condone running from the police, but obviously this guy took the dub. Get into the border. This is JTSpeeds, and I am out. Peace. My bitch walking out the door, can you hold that thought? My wrist heavy, be for real, can you hold that that